Hello! I am here today to give you a quick 2-minute video about how to infuse sparkle into your day, okay? And what I mean by that is, so often when I'm talking about business, something that I don't always am not that overt about is that I believe that you can have a life that you love, that lights you up, that is fulfilling, that is balanced, that is peaceful, and that is free from chaos. And one part of that, yes, there's the systems and there's the business model and there's all those things, but one major part of having a life that lights you up is intentionally choosing and infusing sparkles throughout the day for yourself. And what I mean by sparkles is you've got to care for you. You've got to fill yourself up. Business, life, parenting, caregiving, whatever you may do can drain you, can dull you, can tap your resources. And what I want to invite you today to do is to figure out, where can you bring in some sparkle? Can you go for a little walk? For me, I incorporate sparkles all over the place. I walk daily, I exercise daily, I do some meditation or Tai Chi, I hydrate, I have supplements, I have a morning routine of really healthy smoothie, all of these things where I have a practice around making sure that my day sparkles, and that fuels me, it fills my body, it heals me, anything that may be ailing me, it heals my humanness, right? In the experience of life, moving along, going through the world, we are triggered, we are working through things, we're growing, we're striving, we're evolving, and the sparkles are to inspire you, to catch you, to fuel you, to brighten you, and that's what I want for you today. So share in the comments below, what is something you do currently to add sparkle to your day, and what is something that you want to figure out how to incorporate. So I want to hear about your sparkles. So comment in the comments below about that. If you are like, gosh, I don't have time for sparkles, my business is running my life, hop to my website, get my free checklist, 33 systems every small business must have to be successful, because it isn't just about business, it's about all of you. So we got to get your business under control so that you can have the sparkling, delightful, juicy, wonderful, vibrant life that you deserve, all right? I love you a lot. I look forward to talking to you next week. And in the meantime, keep thriving. Bye.